on my way to a landscaping company that has a very similar subscription package with us, where we, shoot their services and prepare for their social media platforms. And what we're gonna actually get today is a little different. We're gonna get some aerial shots of a tree they're moving. It must be in the way. They may be trying to do a driveway or something, and it's in the way, so they're moving it from location. And we're gonna get some aerial shots of the process. So hopefully it's something cool. And I know the home is beautiful. It's in a very nice neighborhood. So the home looks great. Let's see what we get there, and you guys will see all the behind the scenes of me taking the drone up there. Alright guys, we're at the location, as you can see. It's very contrasty today. The sun is very strong, so you have like these dark silhouettes where the tree is, so that's kind of a problem. The shadows are very harsh, but there's not much we can do. I can't even shoot D-log, which is what I would normally do to flatten out the image a bit, because we kind of have to bake the color into the image for the client. So, I mean, he wants it ready to go. We're not gonna do any post-production on this, so it has to be ready to go. And that's the only thing that I'm not satisfied with. Other than that, we're getting some beautiful shots, wide shots, close-ups, nice steady shots of the whole operation. We're giving him the footage on the spot, transferring it over right now. We needed these shots with urgency, and we're here to satisfy the client, man. So, bam, that's what we're doing. Transferring over footage. That's it for today.